Hi everyone, welcome to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in Google Drive in desktop. Open a browser in your PC and click open a new tab. And there on the search bar you will be directed to the Google home page. Here on this page you need to tap on this icon over here, click that. And from there you need to scroll down and click on Drive over here, click that. This is a easy process to get logged in into the account. Login, you will need to provide your account details. Type in the details over here. That is the email address of yours and click on next. Now type in the password and then click on next. And just with that, you will be logged in into the account of yours right away. There you can see your Google Drive name over here. So this is how you can easily log in into the Google Drive account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.